Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to log someone out of your Roblox account. So as you can see here, I am logged into one of my devices. Now I'll kick this device out of login. In order to do that, we'll go to a second tab. Now go to roblox.com. Now click on the gear button. Go to the settings tab. From here, you have to go to the security section. Now scroll down at the bottom of the page and you will find log out of all sessions. Click on it, then select log out, and after I return to the tab, and now if I reload it, I will see that I have been logged out of this session, but the account I have logged into the second time is still logged in. So that's how you log someone out of your account. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.